If Wells Mercer New York has caught your attention because of its stylish clothing and attractive discounts, don't place an order just yet. A few minutes of research can help you avoid disappointment and set realistic expectations. Wells Mercer New York presents itself as an online fashion retailer offering a range of men's and women's clothing with modern, casual, and seasonal styles designed to appeal to shoppers looking for fashionable pieces at competitive prices. The website features clean product images and promotions that may seem appealing, but attractive marketing alone should never be the reason to trust an online clothing store. Before purchasing, it's important to carefully review product descriptions, sizing information, estimated delivery times, and the complete return and refund policy. As with many online fashion retailers, customer experiences can vary significantly. Some buyers report being satisfied with the style and value of their purchases, while others mention concerns related to sizing consistency, shipping times, communication with customer support, or the return process. That doesn't automatically make Wells Mercer New York a scam, but it does mean shoppers should take extra care before placing an order. Always check whether the website provides transparent business information, working customer support channels, secure payment options, and clearly explained policies. Paying with a credit card or another payment method that offers buyer protection is also a smart decision when shopping from any online retailer. Seasonal discounts can provide good value, but unusually large discounts should encourage you to verify the store's credibility rather than rush into a purchase. The overall result is that Wells Mercer New York appears to be an online clothing store that may be suitable for some shoppers, but it is not a retailer you should purchase from blindly without doing your own research. Reading the latest independent customer reviews, confirming the return conditions, and understanding the shipping policy can help you make a more informed buying decision. This review is based on publicly available information for educational purposes. And because online stores and customer experiences can change over time, always verify the most recent information before placing your order.